How to cleaning non-removable pillow covers. Couch pillows, especially ones used every day, attract dirt, bacteria, dust, mold and mites. Even decorative throw pillows are susceptible, so they need to be cleaned on a regular basis, too. Couch pillows covered in delicate material, such as silk, must be professionally dry cleaned. Most other couch pillows can be washed in a machine or cleaned by hand, even ones that don't have removable covers. Consult the manufacturer's cleaning directions before attempting to clean any pillows. Step 1. Determine what material the cover is made out of. Not all materials can be spot cleaned. The following materials must be professionally dry cleaned: wool, velvet, silk, and upholstery. Step 2. Consider doing a spot test for color fastness on fabrics. If the stain is in an obvious area, consider doing a spot test in an inconspicuous area first. You can do this simply by soaking a cotton ball with water and lightly dabbing it on the pillow. If the color bleeds, take the pillow to a dry cleaner. If the color does not bleed, you can spot clean it. Step 3. Spot clean stains on fabric and leather using soapy water. Pour some warm water into a bowl and add a few drops of mild dish soap. Agitate the water until it becomes sudsy, then dip a cloth into the water. Use the dampened cloth to blot up any stains. Blot up any soap residue using a clean cloth dampened with fresh, non-soapy, water. Let the damp area air dry before you put the pillow cover back on. Step 4. Do not use water on covers made from suede. Brush the entire piece using a soft bristled brush to loosen dirt. Always go with the grain instead of against. A suede brush would be ideal, but a clean toothbrush or manicure brush might also work. Sprinkle cornstarch/cornflour over oily stains, wait overnight, then vacuum the next morning. Use a soft bristled brush to comb out any residue cornflour/cornstarch. Use water with care. Some stains must be cleaned out with water. Dampen the brush first, then go over the stain and the rest of the pillow. Step 5. Clean microfiber with care. Read the care tag on your pillow and try to notice if there is a letter code on it. Choose one of the cleaning methods from the list below, based on the letter code. If the microfiber turns hard after you clean it, simply brush the fabric with a soft bristled brush, such as a clean suede brush, toothbrush, or manicure brush. If the tag has AW on it, you can use a water-based cleaner, such as soapy water. If the tag has AS on it, you can use an alcohol-based cleaner, such as rubbing alcohol or vodka. If the tag has AX on it, you must vacuum the fabric. If there is no tag, use an alcohol-based cleaner. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.